Understanding common coding errors.
Coding errors are a natural part of learning to program. Beginners often face mistakes that can be frustrating but are essential for growth. Recognizing these frequent pitfalls helps you become a more confident and effective coder. Let's explore what these errors look like, and most importantly, how to avoid making them.
Syntax errors and how to prevent them.
Syntax errors occur when code doesn't follow the rules of a programming language, like missing semicolons, unmatched brackets, or incorrect indentation. Double-checking your code structure and using an editor with syntax highlighting can help you spot these mistakes early. Practice reading error messages closely to identify where the problem lies.
Logical errors, when code runs but doesn't work.
Logical errors happen when your program runs but produces the wrong result, often due to mistakes in algorithm design or calculation. Testing your code with different inputs, breaking problems into smaller steps, and using print statements to check variable values can help catch these subtle bugs before they cause bigger issues.
Variable misuse and naming problems.
Mixing up variable names, using undefined variables, or inconsistent naming can lead to confusing bugs. Always choose clear, descriptive names and stay consistent in your naming style. Most code editors highlight undefined variables, so pay attention to warnings or suggestions they provide as you type.
Ignoring error messages and debugging tools.
It's easy to overlook or misunderstand error messages, especially when starting out. Take time to read every error and warning carefully. They often point directly to the problem. Learn how to use debugging tools in your editor or language of choice. These can help trace mistakes step by step and improve your understanding.
Building good habits to avoid errors.
Preventing common coding mistakes takes practice. Write small sections of code and test them often. Review your code for clarity and don't hesitate to seek feedback from others or consult documentation. With patience, attention to detail, and consistent effort, you'll make fewer errors and become a stronger programmer.